Good evening, students. So, again, I am Vishal Shrivastava, your mathematics teacher, and it is lecture 5 of the series. And in this session, we will know how trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios, as you have seen. In this video, we will see how they are related to each other. So again, I am drawing a right angled triangle. It is a right angled triangle, and this is right angle, and this point is C, this point is A. Suppose I am considering this angle. This angle you can take as angle A, or for the time being I am taking this angle as theta. You can take it this angle as A, but I am taking it angle theta. Theta is a Greek term, you know. It is mostly used to denote angles. So this angle I am taking as theta. So if I am standing here, then as you know, this side is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. I am writing this is perpendicular or opposite side, and this side is base and this side is hypotenuse for this angle. If I change the angle, then hypotenuse will remain same and perpendicular and base would be interchanged. So for this angle, we can write what is the value of sine theta. Sine theta, you know, full name is sine of angle theta and acronym is sine theta. Sine theta is equal to P by H. By definition, it is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Or in terms of sides, we can say it is BC by AC. Right? And cos theta is B by H. B by H. In terms of sides, we can say it is AB by AC. You can write in terms of sides or you can omit. It is up to you. And tan theta, it is equal to perpendicular by base. In terms of sides, we can see here it is BC by A. Right? And cot theta is equal to B by P. In terms of sides, AB by BC. And then sec theta is equal to H by B, or we can say it is AC by AB. And cosec theta is equal to H by P, or in terms of sides we can say it is AC by BC. This is all AC by BC. This is all 6 trigonometric ratios by definition. By definition I have written. Now we will see how they are related. It is very easy. If you see sine theta into cosec theta, if I find this thing, then it is equal to, you can write P by H into H by P, or you can take BC by AC and AC by BC. Suppose I write it is BC by AC into AC by BC, then it is equal to 1. Means product of sine theta and cosec theta is equal to 1. We can say sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. So see this thing, see this relation. We can say sin theta and cosec theta. If I write AB is equal to 1, means A is equal to 1 by A and B is equal to, sorry, A is equal to 1 by B and B is equal to 1 by A. What does it mean? It means A and B, these two numbers are multiplicative inverse to each other, or in other words we can say they are reciprocal to each other. In the same way, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. It means sin theta and cosec theta, they are multiplicative inverse to each other. In the same way, we can find, just see here, we can find tan theta into cot theta, it is equal to 1. You can find from here, just put the value of tan theta in terms of sides and put the value of cot theta in terms of sides, you will get this relation. And from here we can say tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So what we can say? We can say tan theta and cot theta, they are reciprocal to each other, or tan theta and cot theta, they are multiplicative inverse to each other. If we know the value of tan theta, suppose tan theta is equal to 5, then what will be the value of cot theta? It will be 1 by 5. In the same way, you can see cos theta into sec theta, this value is equal to 1. So from here we can say cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Means cos theta and sec theta, they are multiplicative inverse to each other. They are reciprocal to each other. So these are the relations between trigonometric ratios. And one more important relation, and I am just giving here the derivation of that relation. You can see here. Just see, if I find sin theta by cos theta, by definition from the figure or from here you can find sin theta is equal to what? BC by AC, and cos theta AB by AC, then it is equal to AC cancel, BC by AB, and BC by AB you can see from here or from figure you can find it is equal to tan theta. Very important relation, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. This relation most extensively we use in solving questions. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. You can also write this relation in this way. देखिएगा, it is sin theta into 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta means sec theta. You can also write in this way. Rarely it is used, but sometimes we can use this relation also. These two are same relations. So these are relations between all trigonometric ratios. Sin theta and cosec theta, they are multiplicative inverse to each other. Cos theta and sec theta, they are reciprocal to each other. Tan theta and cot theta, they are reciprocal to each other. So these are the relations, and very fundamental relations. And in our next video, I will be telling you more about different angles and what are their trigonometric ratios, because in 10th class we will take only acute angles, and there are some specific acute angles: 0 degree, then 30 degree, then 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In our next lecture, we will know how to derive trigonometric ratios for these specific angles. And with this, I am ending this lecture and will continue in our next lecture 6. Thank you for listening to me.